Your website's images are probably frustrating millions of users, and you don't even know it. I'm talking about your alt text. I see the same mistakes every day. For a beautiful, handcrafted oak dining table, the alt text just says, table. A person using a screen reader has no idea if it's rustic or modern. The sale is lost. Even worse is keyword stuffing. For a red running shoe, the alt text reads, red running shoe, sneaker footwear, Hess running shoe cheap. A screen reader blurts that entire string of words out. It's just annoying noise. And don't get me started on seeing img_8754.jpg as the description. That's just telling your users you didn't care enough to try. For people with visual impairments, the web is an auditory experience. When their screen reader hits an image, it reads the alt text. That's their version of the picture. Bad alt text is like a podcast cutting out right at the punchline. Fixing it is easy. It's all about context. If it's an informative photo, describe what's happening. Not manic computer, but a young designer sketches on a tablet in a brightly lit office. If the image is a button, like a magnifying glass icon, the alt text should describe its function. Search. Not magnifying glass? And if the image is purely decorative, like a background pattern, use a null alt attribute. Just alt equals. This tells the screen reader to skip it, which is exactly what you want. So next time you upload an image, just pause for 30 seconds. Think about the story it tells. Writing a simple description isn't just a technical task. It's a small act of empathy that makes the web work for everyone.